вон там вот это гарнитур. И цепочки. Блядь. Ты чё, дебил?
Wow, that was a heart-stopping moment right there. That's video from Canoga Park. A driver loses control in Vallarta grocery store's parking lot this afternoon on Topanga Canyon. The pickup truck that rams into two other cars, leaving the truck and one other vehicle flipped onto their sides. Very frightening. And just a second later, video shows people rushing to help the driver. They climb on the top of the pickup truck and pull him to safety.
The crash also caused serious damage to the cars. You can see the mangled wreckage right there in that parking lot. The LAPD says people were injured. It's unclear exactly how many or their conditions. This afternoon, the cause of this crash is under investigation.